Only Dude here. Got a project I'm working on. Thought I'd bring you in and show you what I got going on. Some time ago, and I wish I could find the video, and I still might find it, I had built a area to put my garbage cans in out of pallets. And when I first did it, it turned out really nice, and we've had it for about almost 4 years because it was done in 2020. So now I'm going to tear it down, and I got some material that I got for free to build a new one. I'm just gonna go ahead and burn the old material. It's just pallets and stuff, so I've already got that started. Got a pretty good fire going using that pallet wood. The girls are out here, they're sunbathing. But this is the there's some old pallets there, and then this is the setup I had. It was a lot better when I first did it, and then it just kind of over the years has deteriorated, and you can see it's a mess. There's trash up inside the area and all kinds of stuff that's just been left behind. So it's ready to go bye-bye, and all that'll just, it's all wood and stuff, so it'll all burn, and then I'll throw the actual trash in the trash can. But I think I'm gonna spend the day doing that, and then I got this material behind in the back of the truck. I'll show you what it looks like. I got all this material here that we tore down a sound booth at the school, and so I'm going to use this to go ahead and build a new area to store the dumpsters. My fire's burnt down pretty fast, so I think I better add some more wood. Alright, well, I knocked it down. I just gotta get the rest of the fresh part. Been here a long time. Like I said, at least 2020, so that's been about, now, 4 years from this month. This is when we had our graduation party in July. So, it did its job for 4 years, but it's time for it to go. Alright, I'm gonna move this over to the burn pile. I'm gonna have a lot of nails that I'm gonna have to get out of the fire pit. It's officially gone. And there's just trash all over the ground. Old popcorn wrappers. I'm gonna get a rake And this is 4 years worth of stuff. Tried to keep it as clean as possible, but you know, trash just falls out the side all the way up and down the thing. So I'm gonna get that cleaned out. All right, now it's time to go get the stuff out of the truck and see how we can build a new platform. Here's all the pieces out now. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these pieces here, and I got a couple more right here. I'm going to try to build this platform, flatten it out a little bit because of that old stump that's right there. I can't get around that. Last time I had to kind of went downhill. So hopefully this time I can maybe build it up. It won't be as long. It'll probably come out to about where that is right there, based off of the square footage of this platform. So, but we'll see. I think I'll start working on that and jump back on here and show you my progress. Here's what I've got so far. There's a little bit of work, but I at least got a platform. So now I'm going to work on the sides. I got all these pieces. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these apart, put it back together that way, and I think it'll be more solid if I do that instead of trying to use it the way it's set up right now. So here we go, progress report. I've got one side on right now. I'm getting ready to do this side right here, and there's the sides, and then I got all these 2x4s that I could use. I had to kind of use, I don't know if I said this earlier, but I kind of had to use some of these pallet boards to fill in the space, but I don't really care. Let water run through there. That'll help kind of keep the water from standing in there and causing an issue. This is a lot better structure than what the previous one was. Back to it, come back on when I got another panel on. Well, I'll be dipped. Look at that. I got two sides on now. So now I gotta work on this other side, and this thing will be completed. My only concern now is people will cut this corner and they'll damage that pipe, which needs to be fixed anyways because it's coming apart up there, as you can see. But it is what it is. So now I'm going to come over here, get this side put together, use what 2x4s I have left here. Yeah, this is gonna look really good, really good. Okay, well, it's getting late, but I have got it all put together. Listen, this is not, by far, this is not a professional job. This is a do with what you got type of job. It's not, you can see it's not square. I tried to do the best I could to get it square, but I just put it together, and it is a sturdy shape, better than the last one though. I mean, it wiggles a little bit on this end, but it's all connected really good, so it's going to take a while for it to ever fall apart. But I think I might have inside some more black spray paint just laying around, so I may grab that black spray paint and just hit this thing a little bit, blend it all in together, just to make, you know, it look a little bit better than what it does right now. So I think I'll go see if I can find some of that. I don't know. Let's go. My fire's gone down, but it is still really, really hot. So all I gotta do is move those ambers around and throw some more stuff on. I'll do that here shortly. But I have a whole slew of stuff up here, and look at that. Black semi-gloss. Sure, why not? Got another one. 2 times the coverage. All right, there we go. Got a couple rattle cans. We'll just see if we can get something out of those. They've been sitting around for a long time, so they need to be used and thrown away. But try that, see if that works, and then I got to clean up my mess that I made and get that fire going again so I can get rid of the rest of these pallets that are sitting over here, and then this job will pretty much be completed. Only a little bit left in this one. A neighbor down the way, Mark, shout out to you for putting in your car today. I know he's a subscriber, so he'd appreciate that. Mark's a great guy. All right, let's give this a try. Oh yeah, there's enough spray up in here. All right, that rattle can is empty. Excellent. Ready to get rid of some old stuff that's just laying around. I'll go over here and try this next one. Yeah. Sounds like geese. I think it's dogs. A little bit heavier down here. Like, what do you think? I mean, I hit everything black, so I think it's covered it pretty good. I mean, I could go to the inside and spray down the inside. I just want it to look a lot better than what it did. I mean, compared to what it was before, it's 100 times better. Found some blue that we used on some stuff up top. So thinking about using that on the sides. See how that looks. I don't know. I don't think it'll look too bad up against the black. We are a blue devil area, and black and blue is some of the colors in the local high school. So let's do it. All right, got that blue on there. A couple spots I still could have gotten over there in the corner. May try to get that with the can, but then I got this other stuff. It's black, but it's not the same. It stops rust. Okay, well, I don't know if we're gonna have any rust on this or not. Maybe at the screws. So I'm gonna use that to do this base again after I blow it off, and then that's it. I'm gonna go eat. Okay, I don't think this one works. Oh man, it doesn't work. It's been sitting too long. Bummer. Change of plan. We're gonna go with a white. I'm gonna put white on that bottom because around here, this is Blue Devil Country, Zanesville, and their colors are white, blue, black. So if I just do that, then perfect, right? All right, I'm running out of batteries, so I'm just gonna have to do this and show you the end result. There we go. All done. Black on the exterior, white on the bottom, and blue on the interior part. So it's kind of crude, but it's Blue Devil colors here for Zanesville. And although I only had one kid graduate from the school, sorry about the neighbor weed eating, I figured, hey, this color is what I have and it works. That's going to be it for this episode. Appreciate you watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. Also, smash the like button for me so that I know that you enjoy these videos, and the bell icon so that you're alerted of new videos as I upload them. We will catch you on the next one.